check. I want to take a picture of how big it is.
No, I got that video. As long as my battery don't go funny. I don't want to get too close because I'm going to end up getting wet. This is a Sheldon and Jordan concoction.
Yeah, that's pretty big.
Yeah, it's getting pretty big now. It's soon going to break. I think I'll back off a bit.
I'll give it bad. He was bad.
Sheldon's wetter than what you are.
He had it on his laps like 2 or 3 times. I did it once.
My God, so that's going to take forever. As long as my battery don't go dead because he's blinking.
It's a pretty lame balloon here.
Oh, I hope my battery don't go dead. She's blinking.
It's a pretty lame balloon.
Turn off the water door.
Man, it's getting really hard now. Like, I can see how hard it is.
Okay, but I don't want to lose you guys on video.
Just walk around slowly.
He's like, what happened?
The batteries going that much?